No, I have not made my bed yet. No, I will not be explaining these classes. We can talk later. Yes, this is editing Tyra here. I just woke up. Anyway, the cottagecore aesthetic has been sweeping the internet, and I was tired of feeling like I was not a part of that. So this vlog is inspired by cottagecore aesthetic. Make sure you stay to the end because I have a little announcement. This vlog includes
me growing my own food, you're into plants, some vibey content, a nature girl. Me and my sister are some nature baes.
Make sure you check out our links below and enjoy the vlog. I've been really loving this hair mask. Every time I put it in my hair, it makes my hair super rejuvenated. I've been really liking this brand as well. Bro, if I'm gonna buy her. Sorry. I really love these glasses that Shren and I picked up from the beauty store a really long time ago, and I never make any use of them, so just wanted to support them here. Last night, I stayed up pretty late finishing this video, so make sure you guys check that out. Trying to decide if I want to do bigger cards here on our YouTube channel or if they should just remain over on the Patreon. Working on some rebranding stuff, which we've just been doing along the way, and it's been really fun. This journey has been really fun. Hope to see a day where I can make this content creation my job. That would be so cool. I'm just really grateful for this platform and for the time and space to figure out if this is for me. I've just always been someone who really enjoyed my privacy. I'm ready to meet new people, make friends, and share what I like, what I'm into. Anyway, I am going to be giving this top away over on my depop. So if you are into this style, I just realized that it's not really for me. I like how it looks on me, but just because it looks good on me doesn't necessarily mean it's for me. I'm starting to realize some things about my wardrobe and how I want to portray myself. So if you guys want to check that out over my depop, you can purchase that from me. Also, I have a few other things that you can check out. It's the morning still. I just wanted to let you guys know what I'm having for breakfast. I am still enjoying my bread that I've been making. I need to get a bread pan. Yeah. Oh, you look good. Do you want to come show the camera? Show you her new hair that she also stayed up all night working on. Da, 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 da. Boom. I love it. This is my first time seeing it as well, just so you guys know.
I didn't know how I felt about the pink at first because I wanted a darker pink. But I kind of like this.
I like it. All I would have done was mixed it with.
Yeah, I mixed it a little.
It looks great, honey.
Thank you.
Helped her part. And yes, honey, she did this herself, you guys.
Yeah.
I mean, there's no longer things. It takes too long.
I did it from like midnight to 8 this morning.
Wow.
And it's only 12, so that means I got like 4 hours of sleep. But I feel awake. I'm ready to get up and take these.
Yes, we have a lot to do today. You'll probably see me sporting this fit again. I was letting them know what I'm eating for breakfast. This is some Violife cream cheese, which is actually better than regular cream cheese.
So good. I was eating some last night that like helped me to stay awake. And it was easy to stay awake. I was just, my mentality was like push through. Oh no, every time I do my braids, it forces me to like just push through. I'll let you finish.
Okay, thank you. But we'll chat in a second, darling. I'm just enjoying some of that for breakfast. I am also drinking another one of these Alive. I don't even know what this is. Ancient mushroom elixir. I've been into mushrooms like crazy lately. It's been really interesting to me that they do so many different things. This one has a bunch of different mushrooms in it. This matcha vanilla one, I bought this because I don't really like the matcha that I just got. It has cane sugar in it. It's just way too sweet and it makes me feel extremely bloated and kind of sick in the morning. Trying to drink a lot of fluid and lots of water and try to eat a little smaller than I normally do because I'm just trying to
keep my body feeling good.
Hopefully this vlog inspires you to check out your local library and comment below what you guys are reading right now. Kind of all over the place in between a lot of books, but I'm close to finishing 2 of the books that I'm reading right now. Let's give her a little taste. Oh, whoa. This is really good. It's just different. It's really different. It does have like an undertone vanilla flavor. I can't wait to try more of these. After doing the reading that I just uploaded, and I will actually just link it down in the description if you want to check that out. Also, I need to repaint my nails. It just made me realize I do really love channeling messages. It was something I had to grow to be comfortable with doing publicly. The more I do it, the more I feel comfortable in it, and I feel comfortable expressing the wisdom that I feel I connect with that is greater than I. It's taught me a lot of patience with what I'm trying to build and my vision, and not to let anyone rush my process or make me feel as though, you know, my ideas are not good enough just because I'm not seeking the instant gratification and I'm taking a route that may take a lot longer and takes a little bit more dedication, longer hours. That's something I'm really grateful for, because I've always been making videos ever since I was young. Me and my siblings would make videos. Sometimes I would upload them to YouTube. Sometimes I would just keep them for my family and burn them onto a disc, and we'd play them on the DVD player and just like have a good laugh. It's something I've always denied myself of, and finally no longer denying myself the opportunity to create and to heal and to live a reality that I'm happy about. It's just been a relief, a really great relief. Excited to see what we're gonna build here and what comes next. To shop my closet, to make sure you check out my depop. Hope you guys liked this video. Check out our last videos, they are awesome. Hope you guys are having a great day, night, evening. Stay blessed, stay true, my true lovers and friends, and thank you for joining us. Peace.